Hi everyone, today we're gonna make Blood Orange Kolaczky. That should be lukewarm. Now I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. Yan, yumminess. Yan, haluin nyo lang siya. Make sure to mix it all up really good. It has to be dissolved in your warm water, and so it should be activated. And then I'm gonna add 4 eggs. Then beat it really good. And 3 cups of mayonnaise. Yan. Yeah, just mix it up really good. And I added 2 packs of Philadelphia cheese. I think that's about 8 ounces each, so that's total 1 pound. A pound. And then you have to mix it up really good. It's so much easier if you have the electric one. Yeah, and then you have to mix it up really good. Look at the color, it's so beautiful. And then I'm gonna add another tablespoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, yeah, so creamy. Looks so beautiful. And then I'm gonna add 6 cups of organic flour. Total of this is 11 cups. Correct me if I am making a mistake. I-correct niyo po ako kung nagkakamali ako. Kasi mapapanood niyo lahat yan sa video ko all the way to the end. Ayan. I-sift nyo lang siya. Then, i-add ko na siya dyan sa mixture. Looks so creamy and yummy. Then 2 cups of flour. And 1/3 cup of organic green tea matcha. Yan. And 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Please let me know kung masyadong mabilis ako. Baka naman nahihilo na kayo. Please let me know if I am doing it way too fast for you. Yan, you see the color? It's so beautiful. Yumminess. Yan, haluin nyo lang siya ng haluin na mabuti. Then another 2 cups of flour. That's already included in my 11 cups. Yan. It's so nice and smooth. Ngayon, pagka medyo siya matatansya nyo yan. Pagka medyo madulas pa siya or basang-basa, you can add a little bit more flour. Dadagdagan nyo lang siya. If it's too wet or too juicy, add a little bit more flour. You're in control of your dough. And it looks so yummy already, and it's not even done. Yan. Ngayon, pag natapos mo na siya, and then you sprinkle your board with flour so it won't stick. Yan. Para wag siyang wag siyang magdikit. Mas madali siyang i-flatten. It's so much easier to flatten your dough when you have that powder flour in there. Then cut it on a bite size, 1 palm or half a palm, depending on what size you like. Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you.